In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate text in Adobe Express. Whether you're making a quick social post or a short promo, a simple text animation can instantly make your message stand out. We'll keep this fast and straightforward, and by the end, you'll have animated text ready to share. Start by opening Adobe Express in your web browser and sign in if prompted. This brings you to the home dashboard where all your projects live. From here, click New Design to begin a fresh canvas. A quick tip: pick a canvas size that matches your destination, square for feeds, vertical for stories, or landscape for videos, so you don't have to resize later. Next, choose the sample option to speed things up. Samples, sometimes called templates, give you a pre-built layout with placeholder text and graphics. They're great starting points, and you can replace anything you don't need. Select a sample that fits your vibe, then let it load on the canvas. Now click Text to open the text controls. This panel is where you'll manage type styling, alignment, and effects. Before animating, select any font you like to set the tone. Bold sans serif fonts tend to read well in motion, while script or display fonts can add personality. Just keep contrast high for accessibility. Back on the canvas, click the text itself to make sure the text layer is selected. You should see a bounding box or handles around it. This confirmation matters because the animation you apply will target the active layer. With the text selected, click Animation to open the animation options. You'll see a collection of presets designed for text such as subtle fades, typewriter-style builds, slides, and bounces. Hover to preview how each preset behaves. Finally, select the animation you want. Most presets allow basic tweaks like direction, intensity, or speed, so adjust those to match your brand's energy. Keep it short and purposeful. One clean motion usually looks more professional than stacking multiple effects. Play the preview to confirm timing, and check your design at 100% zoom to ensure readability. If your design includes multiple text boxes, apply the animation to one at a time so each layer remains readable. For social platforms that autoplay without sound, prioritize animations that reveal keywords quickly within the first 2 seconds. That's it. You've animated text in Adobe Express. Use this same flow for headlines, captions, or call to action lines, and stay consistent across your designs to build recognition. If this was helpful, follow along for more quick creative tutorials, and I'll see you in the next